In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to n8n. If you want to automate emails, trigger workflows from your inbox, or send messages through Gmail inside n8n, the first thing you need to do is connect your Gmail account properly. The good news is that this setup is very straightforward, and n8n guides you through most of the process on screen. To begin, open your n8n workspace and go to the area where you can add or manage credentials. Once you're there, look for the plus sign and click on it. This is the option used to create something new, and in this case, you'll use it to add a new connection for Gmail. After clicking the plus sign, choose the option for creating a new credential. Credentials are what allow n8n to securely connect to external services like Gmail. This is an important part of the setup. When you select New Credential, n8n will show you a list or search field with the available services you can connect. In the search area, type in Gmail. As you type, the Gmail credential option should appear in the results. When you see it, click on Gmail to continue. This tells n8n that you want to create a Gmail connection specifically, rather than connecting to a different service. At this point, n8n will present the setup screen for Gmail and guide you through the remaining connection process. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. Depending on your setup, you may be asked to sign into your Google account, review permission requests, and approve access so n8n can work with your Gmail account. Read each screen closely so you understand what access is being granted. As you move through the prompts, make sure you're signing into the correct Google account, especially if you use multiple Gmail addresses. It's also a good idea to check that any browser pop-up blockers are not interfering, since authentication windows sometimes open in a separate tab or pop-up. Once you complete the prompts, n8n should confirm that the credential has been connected successfully. After that, your Gmail account will be available for use inside your workflows, whether you want to send emails, read messages, or automate other Gmail-related tasks. That's it. The full process is simply to click the plus sign, create a new credential, search for Gmail, select Gmail, and then follow the on-screen prompts to finish the connection. Once connected, you're ready to start building Gmail automations inside n8n.